This is a 2018, previously Neopost, now Quadient DS-1200, 4-feeder inserter, intelligent inserter. We're going to go through and walk through all the features. And then we did a quick little test while we were on site before deinstalling it, which everything worked correctly, and we can show you that. We'll put that video at the end of this one. So again, it's a now Quadient DS-1200. It has touchscreen interface here. This is the inserting area here, and these are the 4 feeders. We're going to walk around here. Sorry about that. This is the other computer setup for, I believe, the accumulator here. So the 4th feeder, or the first one we're going to look at here, is the pile feed accumulator folder. So it has these roll-away carts that you can be preloaded from your printing apparatus. You can put it. They go directly into the feeder without having to transfer the paper. They go right into there. So it is a pile feeder here and accumulator with barcode scanning and cameras. So this is where it will accumulate your paper, and then it goes into here to fold, which we'll look at from the other side in just a second. The second one here is number 3, but the second one we're looking at is a pile feed folder. It does not accumulate, but it will pile feed. The last 2 here, or feeders 1 and 2, are the same. They're the standard feeders. The work has to either be pre-folded or it has to be small enough to not need to be folded. And then here we have our envelope, bulk envelope feeder here. Going around the other side of the machine here, this is the high capacity delivery. It's got set up stacking areas for 4 mail trays. It does stack the envelopes on their side tightly here, so they're easy to grab and put right into mail trays. Again, this is the touchscreen interface. It's automatic setup. You can save all your different jobs in here. Is where you control the screen right here, or control the system from this screen, this keyboard. It does have camera address verification there. You see the camera there on the output. This is the inserting area and the computer that runs the system. This screen and touchscreen runs off of that computer right there. There's also a remote in there. This is where your insertion track comes down and your inserting actually happens in here, and sealing of the envelope. That blue fluid is just, they have a special proprietary, Quadient has like a envelope sealing fluid. It's like, instead of water, it's like helps seal envelopes, and some of that comes out spilled sometimes. As far as accessories, we took lots of photos. There's everything over here is all the cabling, extra fold plates, power supplies, everything you need to run the system in this box. There is 2 pile feeders, pile feed carts, 1 for each feeder here. You can get additional carts. There's also a computer cabinet here as well. I believe that's for the image verification system. The computer for this interface is down underneath there. These are expandable, I believe, up to 16 feeders. So you can add additional feeders onto this. You can also get a flats module, which will allow you to exit from the side here and come this way to do flats. These systems are super modular and can be configured in many different ways. So it can be expanded if you have different needs than just for a 4-pocket. Again, we did just deinstall this. We did not set it up for a test here because we were able to do it on site. It takes a number of days to set up and then tear down again for a test. But we do have a test video which we're going to go ahead and show you now.